Proven health benefits of chia seeds. Because of its high soluble fiber content, chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, becoming gel-like and expanding in your stomach. Fiber also feeds the friendly bacteria in your intestine, which is important. Keeping your gut flora well fed is absolutely crucial for health. Summary: chia seeds are high in protein and fiber. A few studies show that chia seeds significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. Overall, it's possible that chia seeds may benefit heart health, but they probably won't have a major effect unless accompanied by other beneficial lifestyle and dietary changes. This includes calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and protein. The calcium content is particularly impressive, 18% of the RDI in a single ounce, 28 grams. Other studies on chia seeds have failed to detect any significant effects on inflammatory markers. The seeds themselves taste rather bland, so you can add them to pretty much anything. A common dosage recommendation is 20 grams, about 1.5 tablespoons, of chia seeds, twice per day.